And you've heard a little bit here tonight. Colorado law prohibits local law enforcement agencies from cooperating with federal immigration enforcement officers.
Investigative reporter Natalie Chuck joining us now with how local agencies interact differently with ICE than others.
Yeah, that's absolutely right, Shannon and Jessica. And one example of this is ICE detainers. A detainer is a request from ICE to any local agency saying, hey, we know you have someone in custody who is on our radar. Could you let us know when they will be released so ICE can come and get them? And will you hold them for up to an additional 48 hours? An important distinction here about detainers, though, local agencies, they are not required to abide by them. It's just an ask, not a demand. We have an example of an email the Arapahoe County Sheriff's Office uses to notify ICE. In it, the agency either tells ICE that an inmate has bonded and has cleared all local charges, they shall be released in the public lobby of the detention facility shortly, or they give ICE the date an inmate will be released. Then it's on ICE to show up. We wanted to know how different counties handle detainers. The answer is because of that Colorado law, the ones we spoke to will not hold someone for 48 hours, but they will notify ICE if someone is being released. Small differences, though. Here in Denver, the sheriff's office notifies ICE if ICE asks them to. In 2024, Denver notified ICE 84 times before an inmate's release, and Denver notifies them through fax. In both Jefferson and Douglas counties, they email ICE every time a foreign-born person is booked. If ICE is interested, they are notified when specific inmates will be released. Last year, through December 11th, Jefferson County notified ICE 731 times when inmates were booked and 186 times when they were being released. Arapahoe County does not track the number of times they notify ICE. Now, Douglas County has been very vocal about supporting President Trump's immigration policies. I caught up with the Douglas County Sheriff and a county commissioner today to see if that support still stands as these new executive orders roll in.
We are going to be in compliance with Colorado law, but at the same time, we're also going to be supportive of the Trump administration as well as ICE and do what we can within the law to keep our community safe.
Do you think that's problematic that different counties have different policies when it comes to notifying ICE on these detainers? Do you see that changing as we move forward in this administration?
I think it's possible that it changes just to get some uniformity. Every county, every municipality has their own legal counsel that is giving their law enforcement CEOs advice. And so, each CEO is going to make their decision.
And guys, we get a lot of questions from viewers wondering how someone who is in the U.S. illegally is released if they have a criminal record. So hopefully this clears up any confusion about how the policies work here in Colorado. For Denver7 Investigates, I'm Natalie Chuck.
All right, Natalie, thank you for that. And for a little more context here, challenges to state immigration laws came up in Teller County back in 2019. The sheriff's office there was allowing deputies to conduct immigration enforcement in cooperation with ICE. Well, the ACLU filed a complaint claiming those actions were unconstitutional. The district court ruled in favor of the sheriff's office. The ACLU then filed an appeal. And in the latest ruling, the Colorado Court of Appeals ruled against Teller County. The 6-year legal battle now continues in lower courts.